Okay guys, so I just got the oil cooler kit. I'm gonna install it here. I'm gonna try to figure out where, probably somewhere around here. I gotta fabricate some brackets. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. First thing I'm gonna do is make sure that sandwich plate fits. Okay, for the first step, you're gonna need something to catch your oil. You don't wanna make a mess. Oil filter wrench. To break this bad boy off. Jesus, that was tight. Very extremely. Okay. I'm gonna get this off. I'm gonna get back to you guys. You can just simply check. It comes with two. Check which one actually fits your oil filter so we know it's this one. Now we have to go try this on the block. When you come here, okay, so we know it's this. This fits perfectly. Now, we'll grab the sandwich plate. This piece right here where the rubber gasket. Let me see if I can get this. Now, I'm just test fitting, but as you can see, you're going to have to figure out a location where usually this would be the smartest, but then it'll hit this. Then I'm gonna hit this. I can't do it this way because then I'll hit this sensor. So I'm going to have to figure out something with this. I'm thinking I can't be facing this way. That wouldn't be too smart, but I'm gonna most likely move this sensor to this location right here since it has two, and then go from there. I'll get back to you guys. So I found the alternative. I had to get two 90-degree 8 AN elbows installed on the oil cooler. Bend this just a tad bit up, and that's it. The oil filter goes there. The lines are run to the front of the oil cooler, and I'm gonna change the oil before I turn it on, but yep, this is it. Usually before I change the oil, I'm gonna change the oil, but you have to check for leaks when you turn it on, and then let the car run, get to operating temperature, and then check for leaks again, because you know the hotter the oil gets, the thinner it gets, and then you know if you have any leaks, you want to catch that here in the garage before you go outside.